In this tutorial, we will talk about list and list elements. Making a list in HTML is more than making a list of my favorite countries in Europe or a shopping list. We mostly use them as navigators. They work like index part of a book. In index, you find the article and it navigates you for the page number. With the same logic, you sort your contents, articles, pages, and people click the list elements and they reach where you direct them to. Wikipedia is a good example for this topic. If it is a long content, you just click where you wanna go. And headers in the websites. If you click navigation elements, you open a new page. Those elements are a member of a list as well. Your list elements don't have to be only text or a letter. They can be images, icons, or even a video if you go deeper. Alright, enough of talking. Speaking is not going to feed my children. Let's see how we can make a list in HTML. We have two kinds of lists in HTML. They are ordered list and unordered list. With ordered list, you just search the contents you want from 1 through 9, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. So for an example, I'm going to sort the best football teams in Europe. Teams in Europe. So I'll sort them from 1 through 9, okay? So I have Real Madrid, Barcelona, Bayern Munich, Manchester United. So what was our rule in HTML? That everything we see in the body section is supposed to be surrounded with tags. So this is going to be my text. So I'm going to surround it with my p tag, so paragraph tag, right? So this is opening and this is closing tag of the paragraph. So I'm going to turn those football teams into a list. To do that, the tag that I'm going to use is li. Li stands for list items. So they are my list items. So close with li. So opening tag li, closing tag li, opening tag and closing tag, opening tag and closing tag. So everything in HTML is surrounded with tags, as you have seen. Okay, they are my list elements. They are now in an order. They are a member of a list, but what kind of list? So I should declare it to my web browser. So I'll come over here and I will say this is an ordered list. Ordered list. And in the end of the list, I should come over here and I should close its tag. So it has been one list for me. If I make another list, for example, the biggest cities in Europe, I can come over here, I can say Madrid, for example, Barcelona again, and Munich, and Manchester, and I can say biggest cities in Europe. In my web browser, I can understand that there are different lists with human eyes, but web browsers don't have a human eye and they are just machines. They are not working like humans. I should declare to my web browser that this is a list and this is another list. So if this is one list, I should open one tag and close this tag. So this is one list. This one is another list, okay? So I'm just deleting this and let's see in my browser how is it going to look like. Alright, so the best football teams in Europe. So Real Madrid, Barcelona, Bayern Munich, and Manchester United. So if you want to declare that this is an ordered list, so the the football team in the first line is the best one. So I will come over here, I will say ordered. This is for my viewers. So let's make it italic emphasis. So em tag, and here I will close this em tag. So let's see how's it looking like. Best football teams in Europe, ordered list. So this is going to be this is going to look italic, right? So if Manchester United is the best football team for you, you just cut this guy from here, this li, and come over here and put it at the top. So let's save it and see in the browser. Now Manchester United is the best football team. It's at the top of the list. And now I have declared to my viewers that this is an ordered list, and this is italic style, you see, and we have refreshed our memory. All right, let's go ahead and make another list. It is called unordered list. Most of the time we are going to use this unordered list. I want to have, okay, ul for unordered list. All right, so two tags, open this tag, and in between I will have li, and I will say home. This is for my website. And portfolio li services, and li contact us. Let's save it and see in the browser. Home, portfolio, services, contact us. Now we have two different lists here. So I want to come over here and I want to make a space here so we can refresh our memory from the last tutorial. Do you remember how to do this? So it was br / and closing tag, and I will make an hr too. So I will have a line in between two lists, and one more break, br. Let's save it and see in the browser. Okay, I have empty space, a line, empty space, and a list. So as I have mentioned earlier, this is the list style that we are going to use most, because we can come over to left hand side of this list and we can clear those bullets, and we can change the font of our list, and we can style them, and we can put it on the left that they can navigate us, or maybe we can change how they are displayed, and we can style them and put it to head section of my website and navigate my clients while they are visiting my website. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next tutorial.